Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The Reggae Boyz are now in Mexico ahead of Thursday's CONCACAF World Cup qualifier against that country. The squad which departed the island this afternoon is still confident of getting a good result, even without several top-name players. Following their exit from the CONCACAF Gold Cup, coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore said there were a lot of positives to take into the World Cup qualifiers. But little did he know that he would have been placed in a precarious position going to the Azteca, where they have never won, to face a tough Mexican team in the opening game without several of his trustees. A tough task ahead, but Whitmore says the show must go on.
You know the challenges we face. We have a game to play. We have to prepare ourselves as best as possible going into this game.
And Whitmore is not only walking confidently, he's talking that way as well.
Personally, I think we can get something out of the game. We don't want to find any excuses, and we know the challenges. You know, we know we are without some players, but we want to put that behind. We want to go out there and give for ourselves the best at all time.
Veteran Kemar Taxi Lawrence says once the news came across that some players would be missing, the overall mindset changed.
People have to step up, people have to be ready, and this is the opportunity, you know, some other persons are going to get, you know, to prove themselves. So, you know, next man up, we know the football thing go. Next man up, guys can't play right now, so the next man have to be ready, you know, to come in and do the work and perform.
And there's no bowing of heads for skipper Andre Blake.
We can't really, you know, feel too sorry for ourselves and find excuses. We still have to try and go out there and do our best. So, yeah.
Defender Damian Lowe's dream is to emulate his father Onandi by playing at a World Cup, and that dream starts now.
Growing up as a kid, I always wanted to represent the country and play at the highest level, you know. And seeing a lot of the past and present players being able to play at the World Cup qualifying level, trying to get the country to another World Cup, it's an honor.
And it's now or never for Adrian Mariappa, who has been around these setups since 2012.
I'm looking forward to it. You know, like you said, you know, it's been a few campaigns now for me. So for this one, you know, confident in the squad, confident in the boys. But it's going to be tough. You know, it's a good group, so we just have to go out there and execute.
The Jamaicans will return home on Friday to prepare for game number 2 against Panama at the National Stadium on Sunday. And it's still uncertain if West Ham United striker Mikel Antonio will be in Jamaica for the Reggae Boyz World Cup qualifier against Panama on Sunday. Renata Brown now reports.
Skip Monday's flight to Jamaica at the 11th hour, a decision that has now left uncertainty around the camp.
It is almost impossible to be certain what is happening with this pandemic, but he has indicated that he wants to be here for the game against Panama.
For the second time this week, an airline ticket is in place for Antonio.
It is booked for him to be here on Thursday.
But there's a problem with him arriving on Thursday.
His travel itinerary would want him to come here on Thursday when there's no flight coming here on Thursday. So we're looking to try to get him. If he agrees, he will be here tomorrow. If not, Friday. But it's up to the technical staff, because Paul is saying that he has some issues for him to come here Friday and to play a game on Sunday.
And if he doesn't make the trip?
We still want to maintain that relationship. But as far as I am concerned, I would not close the door.
And Antonio may not be the only one missing the trip to Jamaica.
Maybe we might not have Amari Bell. He's actually signing a contract with a new club, so that has stalled his being here a little bit. So once he does that and understand that ought to be done today, then he could very well be on a flight tomorrow.
There are also concerns about Leon Bailey, who is nursing an injury and has not played for Aston Villa since the opening weekend of the Premier League. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.